Hey there guys, what's happening and welcome back to the channel. It's Mike here coming to you from Bang Niao Dam, a local beauty spot which is just 2 minutes away from the villa project that I'm going to show you guys around today. Vinzita Elite Residence is a premium collection of 8 luxury villas that is surrounded by lush greenery like this, which is why they have the tagline, when luxury meets nature. So let's head down to the villa project and show you guys around. So here we are at Vinzita Elite Residences. Now, of the 8 villas, 4 have been sold already, and the location is absolutely excellent. Just around the corner is one of my favorite places in Phuket, the Keda Spa, where there's an amazing sauna, steam room, and ice bath. You're also surrounded by all of this lush greenery, and you've got various top international schools and amenities in the local neighborhood as well. So it's a fantastic location. Now, this villa has 3 bedrooms and has 415 square meters of built up area. So let's take a look inside. So here we are inside the main living area of the villa, and as you can see, we've got super high ceilings which give this villa a really grand feel. So let's do a tour of the full property, starting off at the kitchen. So this property actually has 2 kitchens. The first main kitchen has a beautiful island which is great for entertaining, overlooking the main living area. We've got top quality Western standard appliances. We've got half-lay hobs and an oven over this side. We've also got a nice little greenery area out the back here. So when you're doing the washing up, you can take a look at the nice garden. And over this side, we've got the Asian kitchen, so this kitchen's a little bit smaller and it's designed to cook the spicy foods and quite often fish as well. So what we can do is we can close these doors here, we can cook here, and we can actually open this back door as well, so all of those smells can head straight outside and not into your main living area. Now, for a lot of villas in Southeast Asia to have 2 kitchens like this. Now, in this area, we've also got a couple of washing machines, so this can be used by the maid if you have one when you're living here. So from the kitchen, let's head into the main living area of the house. So we've got a really nice large dining table with enough room to sit 8 people. Again, with a large window at the back, surrounded by greenery, letting plenty of natural light in. We've also got windows around this entire top area here, which gives it a really nice light feel inside the house. So over this side, we've got a beautiful L-shaped sofa, a really nice area to sit and relax with the family. And we've actually got 3 bedrooms and 1 multi-purpose room in this villa. 2 of the bedrooms are upstairs and the other one is over this side. So to begin with, let's head upstairs and look at the bedrooms up there. From the top of the stairs, the villa really looks beautiful. You can see the nice tall ceiling, a really nice area to relax and enjoy a book. So let's have a look at the bedrooms on the top floor. 2 guest bedrooms on this floor. We've also got this space, which has been converted into a multi-purpose room. Now, as you can see, we've got a desk in here. We've also got a small single bed that will be suitable for a child or if you've got kids. And also what I love out the back here, we've got rubber tree plantations out the back, which give this place a really local feel. So let's have a look into the 2 guest bedrooms. So here we are in the first guest bedroom. We've got real wood floor. It's not that cheap and nasty laminate stuff. And of course, this bedroom is en suite. Around the back, we've got a shower and a bathroom. And again, plenty of storage space, built-in wardrobes right here. The second bedroom around that side is pretty similar. Let's go and take a look. So the second guest bedroom's got a bit of a larger storage area. We've got plenty of built-in wardrobes there. We've even got a microwave and a fridge if you can't be bothered to walk downstairs to get something to eat. And here we've got our bed. Of course, you've got a TV in front of it and a small beauty table over there. So let's go and have a look at the master bedroom and the pool area outside. So the master bedroom is separated from the rest of the property by this nice outdoor space, which is actually covered. So if it's raining, you're not going to have to get wet walking into your bedroom. Now we've got some sofas, etc. here. This would be a great place to convert into a barbecue area overlooking that beautiful pool. So let's have a look into the master bedroom. The master suite is obviously the largest of the 3 bedrooms. We've got a living area down here at the base of the bed. Over to the left, we've got a beauty table. Out the front here, we've even got a nice little balcony with some greenery outside. And what I like the most about the master suite is the bathroom area. A very, very elegantly designed bathroom. Again, beautiful landscaping outside means that it's surrounded by greenery. We've got a standalone bathtub, a his and hers basin, and a rain shower over to this side. And what I also like is these doors that you can pull shut like this. So there you have it, guys. That was the Vinzita Elite Residences, a premium collection of modern tropical style villas in the Manik area of Phuket. Now, if you are interested in getting more information about this project or any of the other properties that you've seen on this channel, you know what to do. You can reach out to us using our links that are on the screen right now. With that said, thanks for watching, and as always, I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.